This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about Apple CarPlay, which turns your dashboard screen into a simplified version of your smartphone with large icons and streamlined list of apps. Using CarPlay, you can make phone calls, listen to music, and different navigation apps like Google Map and various other apps. In this video, I'm comparing two different screens. Both are supported by Apple Intelligence, rear view camera, and nearly 9-inch screens. First, let's compare the two screens in terms of size, thickness, inputs, and screen sizes. CarpodGo T3 Pro features a screen size of 8.9-inch screen in comparison to Lamtto's 9.26-inch. Additionally, the Lamtto RC06 includes a front camera, whereas the CarPodGo T3 Pro doesn't. CarPodGo includes USB mic, rear camera pin, aux and power, whereas Lamtto features USB-C, rear camera pin, aux and power. The CarPod Go is equipped with a magnetic base for securing the screen, whereas the Lamtos features an adhesive bracket for suction cup mount. The screen dimension of the CarPod Go T3 Pro measures 227 mm in length, 101 mm in width, and 19 mm in thickness. In contrast, the Lamto RC06 screen measures 273 mm in length, 105 mm in width, and 60 mm in thickness. The CarPlay interface is a intuitive, user-friendly infotainment system that mirrors the experience of using your smartphone. I have already attached the suction cup packet to the car with a 3M sticker and connected the power source via the cigarette lighter power cord. The Lamtto CarPlay screen resolution is 1600 into 600 pixels and are capable of playing 1080p videos from sources such as YouTube, TikTok using CarPlay functionality. The CarpodGo T3 Pro delivers a 60 frame per second experience along with the sliding mechanism that doesn't have any noticeable delay. It is now time to install the CarpodGo T3 Pro using the suction cup mount and the magnetic fixed console mount powered by a 9-volt cigarette lighter power cord. Apple CarPlay begin working in just 12 seconds. It also provides a screen resolution of 1920 into 720 with the IPS screen type and 230 pixel per inch. And the 60 frame per second fully laminated screen is fantastic. CarPlay runs perfectly, its display and icons were not squashed, and the 60Hz refresh rate made scrolling through CarPlay as smooth as butter. Now let's talk about what makes the CarpodGo T3 Pro stand out. With 60 frames per second, the interface is incredibly smooth, making your interactions feel more responsive. You can use all your favorite apps like Maps, Music, Messages, or Navigation without any lag. Google Map performance is very responsive and fast as it comes with a 60Hz refresh rate, which made things pretty smooth and buttery. With seamless Apple CarPlay integration and immediate access to your favorite apps, responsiveness of the screen is good. Using different apps like Google Map, Apple Music, and Spotify is fun to use. Let's talk about a unique feature which allows to watch your iPhone videos on your car screen. When you want to utilize the AirPlay feature, make sure that the Apple CarPlay is not connected. So simply use the screen mirror option on the iPhone and view the experience. The CarPlay screens from CarPodGo are impressive. The features including a 60 frame per second a 1080p rear camera, a magnetic base, and high resolution of 8.9-inch screen, all at a resolution of 1920 into 720. In contrast, the Lamtto RC06 measures screen size of 9.26-inch with a resolution of 1600 into 900 pixels. And you can stream videos from YouTube and TikTok via AirPlay functionality. Also, it offers a dash camera with a front camera 2.5K and rear camera 1080p. Both CarPlay screen discounts and prices I have mentioned here. And don't forget, you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in iPhone 16 Pro cinematic videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.